Today we are looking at some tiny homes. So this one works out at $11,200 or £8,200. This company here in Lamphun makes these tiny houses to order. They have lots and lots of designs to choose from and a huge variation in prices as well. Like this one here is $4,800 or £3,500. Shall we have a look inside? Yes, we will. We'll be looking inside all of these today. This one obviously not finished yet, but it's not bad for what it is, you know. Let's have a look at the toilet, which is just getting made just now. Right, it's kind of nice, good tiling and stuff. £3,500 UK pounds for one of these. They say that the customers, they order these for multiple different reasons or for different ideas that they have. Businesses, maybe some are cafes, coffee shops, you'll see later on, one in the back. Or they could just put them as an extra wee dwelling in their garden. Some people use them for beside their fishing ponds. This one has a bathroom and a bedroom. They do a lot like these. These seem to get ordered very regularly. This one here is a bit of a bigger size. And this one is the same price as well. It's 150,000 baht. And you can see the finishing is very good. Gypsum board. And this one, I came to see this 2 months ago before it was just starting. But looks lovely, doesn't it? Absolutely beautiful. The finishing is very, very high standard. Very lovely indeed. And this one here is a small little, I asked them what they would use this for. So maybe just a fishing pond that they have, or out beside their fields, maybe they have a large farm and they put this away up there in the farm. Yeah, this one here is 80,000 baht. I'll put the price on the screen. That's 80,000 baht, that's cheap as heck. That's like $2,000, £2,000, maybe $2,500. This one here is also 80,000 baht. It's bigger, but the finishings are not the same high standard. It doesn't have the gypsum board inside. It has a bit of a bigger balcony maybe. It's a bigger size. It's got the flat, oh, it's got a sloping roof. But you can build these like Lego. You can just keep adding units onto it. And this one doesn't have the laminated flooring. It doesn't have the gypsum board wall, but it's still very, very usable for the price. I was shocked when she says 80,000 baht for this, because this is a really good size. A really good price, I think. This one here has been ordered from Sarapi in Chiang Mai. They're making a coffee shop. Now it's going to be more units than this. You see the ladders going up. They're going to have upstairs as well. The price of this one was 200,000 baht. But there's more units going on to it, right? There's another unit and they're going to do an upstairs area as well. 15 days it's been, I think it's a 15-day turnaround. This one's getting put out quickly. This is a little sala. I didn't check the price of that. But ending up here with the house, this is an actual house with kitchen, living room, dining, outside area, car park. You see upstairs. This one was 350,000 baht price, and it's bloody lovely, isn't it? They knock these out super quick. Yeah, you don't have all these building sites at your house. They knock them out here. They've got hooks on the top of them. Not all of them, but can you see? I'll zoom in for you. Right, like container hooks. So a container lorry or a crane will hook that up and load it onto the back of a flatbed and deliver it to your house. Just plop it down on the spot, on the blocks, whatever you've got, concrete post wise, all levelled out of course, and brilliant, eh? Love these wee hooses. I think it's a great idea. There's a resort just up the road here, and they've got a couple of these. So let's get into numbers. Finance, 190,000 baht to purchase this. Already done, right? You could rent that out in your little resort for 500 baht per night. You will make your money back in 1 year. After that, it's all profit. So it's a 1 year return if you were to rent it out for 500 baht per night. And that's how much they rent it out for up the road. Right, and it's not a bad place to live at all, is it? I mean, for a resort. They've not done the toilet yet, but it's very okay. Put some aircon in here, obviously. Not bad at all, eh? So this one works out at $11,200 or £8,200. Even got these decorative trees and bushes and plants ready for you to choose to put around your house so it's instantaneously beautiful. That's quite a great idea. I like it. So what do you think about that then? A little ready-made house dropped on your property, ready to go, for $2,500 or £1,900. I think that's alright. You've got a wee resort and you're needing to get houses there pretty quickly, then right, this is the way to do it, is it not? Put your comments in the wee bit below, and don't forget to like the video if you thought it was interesting in any sort of way, and if you want to follow more stuff like this, then subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.